everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be installing this wig that I got from Wow Angel on Aliexpress. So first I'm going to tint the lace. It is an HD closure wig, so 5x5. So if you see my previous video, you'll know what I'm talking about because I did an unboxing and a little description of this hair. Once again, I want to let y'all know that I am not a professional and I am doing trial and error. So yeah, if y'all have any opinions, comments, questions, just comment down below and I am open to suggestions. But anyways, this was a quick install. I'm not gonna cap. Like I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It was really quick. And this is what I wanted. I wanted an everyday wig. You feel me? I didn't even have to put glue, spray, nothing. And I've been wearing this for a good minute now. Probably like a week. This is where I ended up messing up. You feel me? Like, I need to do this in the mirror. I can't do this on camera. I literally cut this too far back. And it started looking a little wiggy. But we're going to work with what we have. I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on the middle part just so that you can't see the line on my wig cap. But yeah, y'all, like I said, this is trial and error. Like, there's always going to be another wig. I'm going to flat iron it a little bit so it can look a little decent. And, you know, and excuse my voice, I'm a little under the weather. But do y'all see this hair? This hair is so good. Like, even though I messed up cutting the lace, it still eats. Like, it looks good. I would suggest braiding your hair smaller, because you see how part of this hair look like a helmet? Yeah. It don't be giving helmet. You feel me? So I gotta redo the braids that's underneath my hair and make them a little smaller. But yeah. Bye.